1. Today, you have a unique opportunity to become the proud owner of a luxurious 1979 Cadillac DeVille, currently available for sale at the price of $10,000. This magnificent vehicle, with a mileage of 50,000 miles, has become not only a symbol of comfort and style, but also an ideal choice for those who appreciate cleanliness and excellent condition. Painted in an elegant white color, the Cadillac DeVille makes a lasting impression with its refined exterior. The automatic transmission ensures ease of control, and having had only one owner emphasizes the care and attention to detail. The seller claims that the car is in perfect technical and aesthetic condition, following a recent paint job and an updated interior. This Cadillac DeVille promises not only reliability and flawless performance, but also a stylish presence on the road. Don't miss your chance to become the happy owner of this remarkable car, ready to delight you with its elegance and comfort for many years to come. 2. Currently, you have the opportunity to acquire the captivating 1967 Buick Skylark for $20,190. With a mileage of 44,653 miles, this car is a wonderful trophy in the Buick GS style. In excellent condition and painted in an elegant blue color, it promises not only visual appeal, but also excellent performance on the road. This Buick Skylark is equipped with an automatic transmission and operates like new. It demonstrates excellent reliability, confirmed by a recent oil and filter change, as well as cooling system maintenance. The dual exhaust engine creates a stunning sound and ensures efficient performance. Additionally, this Skylark features a power roof and an upgraded Bluetooth-enabled radio, making it perfect for cruises and enjoyable rides. Don't miss your chance to become the owner of this beautiful car, capable of adding style and pleasure to your collection. 3. Currently, there is a beautiful 1969 MGB GT available for sale at $11,000. This car has traveled 60,000 miles and represents a reliable mode of transportation without any mechanical issues. The owner has been using it for 3 years without encountering any problems. The MGB GT has been garage stored and has never been operated in snow or rain. Originally from Florida, it has minimal rust, except for a few small spots that are hardly noticeable from a close distance. Despite minor dents and signs of paint aging due to natural wear, the car still looks appealing. As it was not exclusively garage kept, there are a few scratches and the paint shows its age. However, this does not affect its excellent performance. After thorough technical maintenance by an MG mechanic, the battery, fuel pump, fuel regulator, headlights were replaced, and new windshield wipers were installed. This MGB GT handles excellently, and the owner has consistently used ethanol-free gasoline to preserve the fuel lines. If you are seeking a reliable and stylish car with a good maintenance history, this MGB GT might be exactly what you are looking for. 4. Currently available for sale is a unique 1979 Cadillac DeVille Touring Sedan 4D priced at $7,000. This exclusive vehicle, with only 50,300 miles, is now ready to impress its new owner. Painted in white, this Cadillac DeVille is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on diesel fuel. The car has had 2 owners and a clean title, with no significant damages or issues. With its originality and excellent condition, this vehicle provides an opportunity for a true enthusiast of vintage cars to take a ride. You could be the next owner of this Cadillac DeVille, enjoying the comfort and style of this unique automobile that continues to captivate with its appearance and performance. 5. The offered for sale 1962 Dodge Lancer, priced at $6,500, is a true gem among vintage cars. This unique vehicle, with only 29,417 miles, represents a genuine example of preserved time. With a green exterior and an interior of the same shade, this Dodge Lancer is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Having had 3 or more owners and a fully paid title, this car embodies the concept of all original. Meticulously cared for and maintained in excellent condition, it ensures reliable operation with a 170 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine. With this car, you can enjoy the original atmosphere, utilizing the unique push-button transmission system. The AM radio also works, and a new gas tank, brake pads, front-to-back exhaust system, rebuilt carburetor, and flushed heat exchanger ensure its reliable performance. Despite a minor dent on the trunk lid, the car showcases a straight body with minimal rust. This Dodge Lancer will be a wonderful acquisition for a collector who values history and authenticity in the world of automobiles. 6. The 1960 Chevrolet Impala, presented for sale at the estimated price of $59,000, is a splendid example of a classic car that transports you to the golden era of automotive design. This refined car is in perfect condition, highlighting its luxury and originality. Having traveled only 46,000 miles, the Impala is equipped with a powerful 300 horsepower Camel Hump 327 engine and a TH 350 automatic transmission. The car's exterior stands out with an exquisite two-tone horizon blue and white finish, emphasizing its style and elegance. This Impala features power steering for easy handling, making drives a true pleasure. The original 409 stock wheels, 14x6, add authenticity, recreating the ambience of the time. With a repainted exterior and interior restoration by Cadillac, the car is a true work of art, preserving all its vintage characteristics. Every decorative element, including trim and stainless steel, looks magnificent. All functions, including the clock, AM car radio, and windshield wipers, work remarkably well, underscoring the precision and thoroughness of the car's maintenance. This 1960 Chevrolet Impala not only provides a unique opportunity to acquire a classic car, but also opens the doors to the past, allowing you to savor authentic style and luxury. 7. Priced at $12,500, the 1964 Ford Thunderbird currently listed for sale is a magnificent specimen of a classic car, ready to delight its new owner. With this car, you can enjoy both its exterior beauty and the captivating sound of the engine. Having driven 55,000 miles, the Thunderbird is equipped with an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and comfortable driving. Its exterior is splendid in white, creating a delightful contrast with the black interior. This car is accentuated by the sound of its engine, which runs excellently and sounds stunning. While it lacks an air conditioning system, the original air conditioning components are included in the package and can be installed at the new owner's discretion. Also included in the package are a new driver's seat cushion, new Thunderbird emblems, and an engine rebuild kit. Although the engine does not require reconstruction, the kit is provided. The car comes with additional 20-inch Detroit steel wheels and newly ordered front floor panels. These spare parts give the car an extra unique advantage and allow the new owner to restore or modify it according to their preferences. This 1964 Ford Thunderbird represents a unique opportunity for collectors and car enthusiasts to relish the style and character of the golden era of American automobiles. 8. The 1951 Chevrolet Deluxe, currently available for $14,500, presents a unique opportunity to acquire a classic car that grabs attention on the road. Having covered 1,000 miles, this car with an automatic transmission comes in black with a tan interior. This Chevrolet Deluxe has a clean title, and its history shows no significant damages or issues. The seller claims that while the car is not intended for show participation, it still manages to attract attention when taken out for a drive. The seller's description indicates a need for some attention to details, which, it seems, the seller may not have had the time to address. The original 216 engine is in place, but the car has been converted to a 12-volt system. Typical signs of aging for a car of this year include corrosion on the body sides, but overall, the car is in good condition. The seller warns that the car is sold in its current as-is condition, is not open to dismantling or trades, and only serious offers are considered. So if you are looking for a unique car with potential, this 1951 Chevrolet Deluxe could be your next project or a stylish car for leisurely drives. 9. The 1955 Buick Riviera Special Model 41 is a magnificent car currently available for $27,500. Having traveled 98,000 miles, this car with automatic transmission is a fully restored 1955 Buick Special. This four-door hardtop Model 41 is a true example of craftsmanship. The car operates and drives as it should, preserving its original engine. The single-range transmission with high/low gears ensures smooth shifts. The seller's description emphasizes how well the car has been completely restored. This Buick Riviera Special Model 41 will not only be a reliable means of transportation, but also a true work of art on the road. If you appreciate the beauty and style of classic cars, this revived 1955 Buick, restored to its former glory, could be your dream car. 10. The 1976 Chevrolet SS is an astonishing car currently available for sale at $21,000. This Chevy Nova has undergone a complete restoration, preserving the original body. The owner claims that it has traveled less than 500 miles since the restoration. The car is equipped with a powerful 350 Chevy engine, delivering incredible performance. Specifications include a 3-speed transmission used in drag racing, adding extra dynamism to the vehicle. Inside, you'll find luxurious power seats for the driver and passenger, although the passenger seat requires connection. Key features include keyless start and stop, as well as power windows and central locking. This car also features an RGB display on the dashboard with functions such as RPM, temperature, fuel level, and battery charge level, although speedometer calibration is required. With an impressive exterior, striking blue color, and numerous enhancements designed to provide a unique driving experience, this car comes with a clean title and no significant damages or issues, making it an excellent investment in a classic automobile. Thanks for watching. Please like this video if you want more videos from us. Also watch our other videos, you will definitely like them.